Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unban your Bigo Live account. First, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If your account is banned, you will usually see a ban message on the screen. Read this message carefully. It may tells you why your account was banned and how long. Some bans are temporary. If the ban shows an end date, only need to wait until the ban expires. After that, you can log in normally. If your account is permanently banned, don't ban. Tap the help support in the app. For that, tap on me, scroll down, tap on help and feedback. Here, look for your account issue or banned account. Fill out the form carefully, enter your BOI or Bigo Live ID, explain what happened, be polite and honest. If the ban was a mistake, clearly say no. After submitting your appeal, wait for Bigo Live to review it. This can take a few days. Check your email and app message for update. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.